We out here digging hole. Yes, we in the hole. So, found the pipe. See it, water coming out there. Hey guys, so Bodega Cooler reached out to me and sent me a beautiful, beautiful cooler, which can also be a freezer. And I'm definitely going to put it to use. I am out doing my deliveries. This right here, Bodega Cooler, is going to definitely help me. Let me show you how this thing works. This cooler right here comes with wheels, honey, wheels, and the handle is on the other side for you to pull it with, and they also have the regular handles if you want to carry it. You have your screen right here, your control panels, how you want your temp to be. When I turned it on, it was at 69 degrees. I set it to -4 and I put it on max. That way it'll come down fast, and it is definitely coming down fast. This allows you to use it with Bluetooth on your phone. You can put the app on your phone and you can control this with your phone. This right here is a charging port. This is your power button here. You have your fan and battery over here. So this side is a little bit heavier, but the cooler itself is not heavy at all. If you think about regular coolers where you're putting ice in, it's going to be heavy. So when we open it up, it has a light. And you can see right down here, it has a way to drain if you need to drain anything out of it. You have this, can come out, use it or not use it. Their other cooler, I hope down the road we partner together or something, because the other cooler, you can put a divider here and have one side be a refrigerator and one side be a freezer, and then you have two temperature things where you can set it. But this one is just either a refrigerator or you can use it as a freezer. And right now I'm trying to use it as a freezer because I just want to see how cold it's going to get. And it is actually already cold. You can put things in there now if you so need to. You have the liner in here is really, really good. This is going to work well with deliveries or when I do go out for a little day camping. This is going to work excellent. You have the ability to charge it with AC in the house. It's plugged up over here, and then you can also plug it up in your vehicle. You just use that and put it in here, and then plug this into your cigarette lighter wherever in your car or truck. And I'm looking forward to it. I am looking forward to it. This is a really nice cooler, you guys. I will leave the links in the description down below. So get yourself a Bodega Cooler. I'm in love with my Bodega. Thank you, Bodega. Now let's get into the video. As you can see, it has ice in it now. Sunday work day. This is, look, I dug all this up right here by myself, y'all. Okay, I guess I'll help. Wait, I thought it was here. Why is that running like that?
Because we got to find out.
I grew up with finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day. Life so amazing. Hard to tell. It looked like a pipe. I see where it's flowing though. Coming from this way. So we gotta go from here. So found the pipe. See it. Water coming out there. So we're gonna clear off just a little bit more, and then Replacement pipe. So this is gonna be a short day in the life. It's a lot going on. I look rough right now, but you'll see why I look rough right now. So we have a leak. The water company says on our side, so we gotta fix it. And y'all know the plumber costs a lot of money. And since my husband is a jack of all trades, we out here digging hole. Yes, we in the hole. We are in the hole. Let's get into this video, y'all. Nothing like a pipe cutter. That's good. It is done. He finished it without me being here. I had to go pick my daughter up. But it is done. Thank you, Jesus.
So long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise.